Hey, I got an idea for a new twisted Long Island iced tea. By the way, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. Let's get started. So as you can see, this huge jar, we'll be using this to make this monster of a drink we call the Ocean LIIT. So for this huge one, we'll be using vodka, tequila, gin, white rum, and some triple sec. Now let's start the pouring. After you've added your alcohols, fill it up with an entire bottle of Sprite.
Huge.
Now let's color the ocean with a few drops of blue Curacao. And stir it up. Fill it up with ice. And there you have it, the Ocean Long Island iced tea. This drink is ready for your next house party. Now let's try it out. Wow, look at this amazing color. And it tastes great too. The ultimate drink for your next house party. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe and share it with all your friends. Until next time, cheers!